Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I have a small nail art haul to share with you from Daily Charm. This came a little while ago, but it came very late because of the Canada Post strike because I am in Canada. So I'm just going to share it quickly, and then I'm going to be using these products on my client. And if you want to see me doing a fill on that client, then keep watching after I share them because we're going to do a really cute wintry set with these. So if you're interested in seeing what's in the box and me working on my client, then stick around. So of course it's no longer Christmas and you're not going to be using Christmas stickers, but if you want to purchase these for next year, if they still have them up on Daily Charm site, then I'll put the link below. I also have my 10% off code. It's up on the screen. You can always use that at any time of the year on any order if you want, but these were really cute, so I had to get them. I really love the red bows. I like the gold ones, just like little candy canes, and there's even some Christmas lights. Really cute set of stickers. And of course, there's snowflakes, and I really like these snowflakes. So they're kind of holographic silver, very, very pretty. Some are lighter, they almost look white, silvery, and then some are very holographic. Just a nice set of stickers. I'll move them here so you can hopefully see the holographic in the darker silver ones. Really, really pretty. And then they have little pearls in some of them. Very, very pretty anyways. I did get a couple, one chrome and one glitter. I'll open it. So of course I picked this because it was coming at Christmas time, or was supposed to. And this one is called Crimson Red Metallic. I'll open it to show you. Of course, they're always sealed. So really pretty red. It would have been really nice to use. And Daily Charm also came out with some chromes, and this one is icy blue. And I will open it to show you, but it is the prettiest blue. Look at that. Perfect Christmas one or winter nails. I'm excited to try this one out. Now I picked a few polishes. This one is Bedtime Story. I do not have this one yet. I have the other dark blues they Daily Charm carries, but I didn't have 805 Bedtime Story, so I'll just show you it here. I'm not going to swatch these because I'm going to be using these polishes on a client, at least some of them. But you can tell this is beautiful. It's like a royal blue. Very, very pretty one. And then, you know, Daily Charm has amazing cat's eye polishes, and I didn't have this one, and this one is C45 Moon Glow. And again, I'm not going to swatch it, but it is a cat's eye polish. It's really pretty, right? You could just have it as the glitter like that. It's so pretty, or you can use it as a cat's eye. And then just one more polish. And this one I do not have either, and it was really popular. I know it was sold out a few times, and this one is 305 Sweet Dreams, and it is the prettiest, softest pink. That perfect light pink. I just love this one. Kind of matches my glove. So here's the small haul I received all together, and I love the stickers. They have the nicest stickers. Glitter, the chrome. I'm really looking forward to trying these. I guess I'm glad I picked some more wintry colors than Christmas colors, so I'm still able to use them. So if you're interested in seeing what I do on my client, then keep watching. This client was in for a 3-week fill, so I removed her other art and color, checked for lifting, and then I did her cuticles, and then I reapplied all of the products, the hard gel products, filed, and now we're applying the polish. And of course, I'm using Moon Glow from this haul. It is such a beautiful cat's eye polish. It's just a light blue. The only thing that we're going to do different with the polish is I'm not going to use it as a cat's eye. We're just going to use it as the really shimmery color that it is, just the way we decided to do it with this set. And I am actually going to do 3 nails with this. This nail actually isn't going to be just this color. Something is going on top. So I only need 1 coat on this one. And then I'll also be doing the thumb with this as well. And of course, this cures for 30 seconds once I have the first coat on all of the nails. So now doing the thumb, it is really, really pretty, and it is really pretty as a cat's eye polish. I just decided not to use it that way, but that's the nice thing about the cat's eye polish. You can either use them as cat's eye polishes or you can use it as like a really nice glitter. Whatever you're going for, it doesn't matter, but at least there's a couple of uses for it. You don't just have to use it for cat's eye polish. So I'm just about done the first coat on the thumb. And this client, her cuticles almost grow over her nail. She's got a deep well around her cuticles, and I find a lot of times I have to use an art liner brush just to get the color up nice and close to those cuticles because it kind of does go over her nail, if you understand what I mean when I say that. So now done the thumb, curing it for 30 seconds, and I'll just show you that second coat. Let me know what you guys think of this color of cat's eye polish. I just think it's so pretty. Reminds me of ice, maybe winter, icicles, that type of thing. It's like the perfect winter type polish. So this again will cure for 30 seconds. Now using Sweet Dreams from this haul. It really is a nice pink. It's so soft and pretty. And I will need 2 coats of it. All Daily Charms, even their lighter polishes, usually you only need 2 coats. They're just really nice. So just doing that second coat now. And I did do 2 of the nails. I only showed the one, but I did 2 of them in the Sweet Dreams, that pretty light pink. So now that that's done, we're going to apply a sticker to the middle finger, and I'm choosing one of the stickers that are more white and kind of that silver in the middle. Once these went on, I just thought they were so beautiful. They're so different than any other sticker I've had with snowflakes. You'll kind of be able to see that once they're on. It actually goes really nice with the blues that I use. It almost kind of looks like it has a tinge of blue because it picks up those blue colors that I'll be having on her nails. I'm not quite done with all of the blue yet. There's something else in blue that will be going on. But anyways, so now I'm applying some little white snowflakes around it. And then this one will cure for 30 seconds. So for the next nail, I'm using Daily Charms Chrome Effects Gel. It's the best gel for applying their chromes. Just makes them go on so nicely, and it cures for 60 seconds. So once I have it on the nail, it'll cure for that 60 seconds. And then we'll be applying the icy blue chrome that I showed in this haul. Wait till you see it. It is so, so pretty. The icy blue chrome just complements the rest of the nails so nicely. It just really pulls it all together. This is such a nice chrome. And before you top coat chrome, you should always file along the edges so that top coat has something to grab hold of. Now I just applied a top coat to that pink nail because I'm doing a sweater nail. And this polish I found was a little thin. Normally I do all my art with Daily Charms polishes, but this one seemed just a little thinner. So I added a tiny bit of acrylic powder on a palette mixed in with that pink. And now I'm drawing my sweater, cable knit sweater design. So I will let you watch me do that. And once I have it all drawn, I draw the whole thing first. And then I'll take the acrylic powder and sprinkle it all over it. And then it'll cure for 60 seconds. Sometimes I'll go over the odd lines or dots just to make them a little bit thicker. You'll just see the design a little better if they're thicker. And then when I take the acrylic powder and sprinkle it, I like to do it several times just so it can soak in really good, and then it makes that sweater nail look a little more 3D by doing that. And then of course, like I said before, it cures for 60 seconds and then I brush it off when it's done curing. So now I'm taking a thicker top coat. I like to use that especially to go over stickers and to go over chrome, and then there'll be no chipping. So I just put a layer of it, and then you'll see me adding a bead and just kind of floating it over. And as I go, you can tell I missed a little spot just below the snowflake, but I always make sure to use my light as I'm filling it in case I miss something and there is an indent. Right now, you can see it's very obvious that there's no top coat at the bottom there below the snowflake, but don't worry, in a few minutes here, or seconds I should say, I will be filling that in. And I use my light to do that, and then I get a nice smooth nail in the end. And the top coat cures for 60 seconds once I have them all done. I'm only showing you top coating the one nail. Of course, I top coated all of the other nails except the cable knit sweater nail. And here they are complete. I think these nails are beautiful. I love how this set turned out, the color combination and just everything I did. I really do love this set. I hope you guys do too. Let me know what you think of this one. Would you do it on your own nails or a client's nails? And I want to thank Daily Charm for sending me the nail art haul. I'm glad I still was able to use the products. And I want to thank everybody for watching. If you liked the video, could you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel? And as always, I will see you in the next one.